We are General Line, a factory that produces the cable infrastructure products for outdoor deployment. You are watching the video tutorial of aerial installation of fiber optic drop clamp. FTTH fiber optic drop wire clamp was developed to tension round or flat type fiber optic drop cables during aerial cable deployment. Product's key features: full dielectric, UV resistant and durable thermoplastic for outdoor applications. Designed to tension round or flat type drop cables. Easy installation, one-piece design, prevents any part from falling. Open wire bail design allows installation on closed hook or pole bracket. Our mass production facility allows reaching the required delivery time. Welcome to contact us to have more details about drop cable clamps and related products.